1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And yes, you can see on the exterior, we have some 442 badging, hood, grill. So we're going to go with Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 442 Tribute. I do not have paperwork to confirm a true 442. Just a heads up on that beautiful car. Chrome in the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grill, all looking good. Has had a repaint as medium blue. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there that was touched up, but overall, this paint shows extremely well. And check out the undersides. The pictures of the underside can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. In those still pictures, you'll also see the top up, top down car from every angle. Interior, engine bay, trunk. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, you can see these panels nice and straight. That paint is laid on there very evenly and smooth. White vinyl interior, white vinyl top, and that is a power top. The switch is actually underneath the dash, left of the steering column. I'll show you that when we get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I'll show you how the power top functions. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. A few notes from the technician on this one. It does have new struts in the front, new shocks in the rear, newer bushings. I noticed in the underside pics, looks like new control arms. Newer top, when you run that up, practically looks like new. Wheel cylinders are good, wipers work. Slight oil pan seep, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. Brakes are 85% in the front, 85% in the rear, and newer tires. It's ready to go, folks, turnkey. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Oldsmobiles, maybe 442s, or maybe just muscle cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. As you can see up and down the driver's side, paint shows well, panels nice and straight. Sorry about the noise in the background there. They got a little hot Chrysler Street Rod Roadster that you can hear a little horsepower coming out of. They're moving it. And that one will be getting pictured up soon. So pay attention to our website and YouTube channel. All right, door panels. Also good shape, white vinyl, really free of any rips, tears, holes. Here's the interior, has been reupholstered. Seat belts intact. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, Rocket 350 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a numbers matching automatic transmission. So 350 Rocket underneath the hood, automatic transmission, original to this car. Top of the dash looks good, stock radio. I do have a little surprise underneath the hood too that is pretty cool on this car. We're going to let it warm up. Slip back here so you can hear it run. It is on high idle, like I said. We're going to have to let it warm up a little bit. And I want to show you something underneath that hood. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a little pause, let this warm up, let it quiet down next door to us, and we'll take a peek underneath this hood. Give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, got her warmed up, quieted down next door. Check this out. I wanted you to see this intake. So functioning hood, and air intake. Vacuum operated, as you can see. I like that setup on here. Good looking underneath the hood. So again, Oldsmobile 350 rocket, power steering, power brakes, AC. Now, Tech did note AC does not blow cold. Compressor will kick on and off, so AC will need a little attention, just so you're aware of that. All right. If you want to hear it on that little lower idle, I can slip around in the back for you also. And then we'll get the top up and down and check that out. All right. Let's get this top up. I'll show you how that works. Let me get the tripod set up. We'll get this walk around done. Convertible top up. It's a white vinyl top. Nice fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side windows so you can see how those fit too. Nice fit there. Appears to be practically new. Glass rear window. Not notice any discoloration. Rips, tears, holes. Yeah, that glass is very clear and nice. Passenger side the same. Side glass rolled up over here, also nice fit even between the two glass pieces. No surprises on the top. I will show you the top going back into the storage area. And after that, Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible, and what would you say, maybe the greatest color combo known to man. This bright blue with white stripes on the ram air hood, white interior, really looking good in this car. We have the top down today on this convertible. A very tight feel to this car, which is good. Everything's tight, the steering feels good. Throttle response is very crisp. The idle is nice and smooth. The beautiful rumble coming out the back. Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac probably, they knew how to make a car still ride nice, be comfortable for long drives, and be a muscle car. The windshield wipers work. The AM radio is working on AM. Speedometer appears to be accurate. Automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. The fuel gauge is reading completely full. On the left, that would be lights for warnings for the temperature, oil, generator, and brakes. So, simple, limited amount of gauges, making it even more, what would you say, like analog? Drive it. Analog cars are the best. This is my opinion. Brakes nice and smooth. Corner is really quite flat, which tells me there's some sway bars doing their job. There it is. The kickdown and good acceleration coming out of the corner. Take a look at all the pictures of this Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.